Imagine having a virtual assistant right on your desktop, ready to launch your favorite programs with just a word. Let's make that a reality. First, you'll need the Microsoft Agent Character Editor. If you don't have it, search online for a reliable download source. Once installed, open the editor and load the character you want to use. Now, in the editor, navigate to the Actions tab. This is where we'll define what our character does. Click Add to create a new action, and give it a descriptive name like Open Word. Next, you'll need to insert the command line code that launches the program. Each programming language will have its own method of doing this. For example, Visual Basic is capable of running applications using the shell command. Ensure your code includes the full path to the application you want to launch. Back in the character editor, test the action by selecting it and clicking Test. This confirms that your script is correctly linked and executes as intended. To make it truly interactive, integrate voice recognition. Use a speech recognition engine or pre-built functions to connect a spoken command, such as Open Word, to trigger the corresponding action within your script. Now, with a little creativity, you can create custom scripts that open multiple programs, automate tasks, or even guide users through complex processes, all with the help of your interactive Microsoft Agent character, drastically enhancing the user experience.